Hi everyone, Vanessa here with another prayer of the day for you. And today's prayer of the day is rise up and pray. Luke chapter 22, verse 46. So let's get that verse read. Why are you sleeping? He asked them. Get up and pray so that they will not give into temptation. So here we go. Rise and pray. And it is also in verse 46 to rise and to pray. We need to give praise, guys. We need to. So in closing, I will say, Dear Lord, please send prayers to those in need. Please be blessed. Take care. Be safe. See you all back here tomorrow for another prayer of the day. Sending you love and prayers. And bye for now.